Visible is now offering HD streaming with its top-tier Visible Plus plan. Hi, this is Jen with the Mobile Internet Resource Center, and my dog Fen decided to join me for today's video. Wanted to talk about Visible, which is Verizon's prepaid subsidiary. It has always been a very popular option in the RVing community, and they offer two plans, Visible Basic and Visible Plus. The Visible Basic plan comes with unlimited data, and the mobile hotspot data is capped at 5 megabits per second. All data on that plan is subject to network management. And then on the Visible Plus plan, the mobile hotspot data is capped at 10 megabits per second, and you get 50 gigabytes of premium data before you are subject to network management. Now, previously on both plans, the streaming was capped at SD quality or 480p, but Visible has now made a change, and on the Visible Plus plan now you get HD streaming or 720p streaming with that plan. Now, it doesn't automatically, you have to actually go into your account settings to turn on that feature. It's under your account overview. There's a toggle called HD video, and you have to actually go into your account setting in order to turn that on if you're an existing customer. If you're a brand new customer just signing up today or tomorrow, it's not clear if that feature also just needs to be turned on or if it's going to be the default. But either way, you will now have HD streaming with the Visible Plus plan. The other change that they made is in relation to international data. On the Visible Basic plan, you can add international data for either $5 or $10 per month, depending on where you're traveling. On the Visible Plus plan, you get 2 gigabytes per day included with your included with your plan for Canada, Mexico, Puerto Rico, and the U.S. Virgin Islands. And then for other countries, you can add what's called a global pass for $10 a day, which gives you 2 gigabytes in 140 other countries. But you get one global pass included for free per month with the Visible Plus account. And the change that they've made is now you can actually roll over those global passes, and you can bank up to a total of 12 global passes on your account, and then you can use them, all at once if you have them all banked up and then are traveling. So I also wanted to mention that right now Visible is running a promotion that goes actually through the end of January. The Visible Basic plan, which is normally $25 a month, will only be $20. And then on the Visible Plus plan, which is normally $45 a month, it is only $30 a month. And that rate is guaranteed to stay in place for 25 months. So unclear what will happen after that time period, but you will have that rate for at least 2 years if you sign up before the end of January. So again, Visible is a very popular plan, and it's one that we have long considered one of our top pick data plans. We do have a resource on our website where we track all the plans that we consider to be top pick data plans, and that is available on our website at rvmobileinternet.com/plan picks. And we also do a video that we update about 4 times a year that kind of goes over all of the plans that we consider top picks. Also, for all the top pick plans, each one will then have its own Gear Center entry where we go into a little bit of detail about each plan. A lot of that information is just available on our website to anybody. We also, in all of those Gear Center entries for both data plans and internet gear, we have a member section that is available only to our members, where we go into everything into a lot more detail and depth, including all of our testing data. So if you're interested in that kind of information, you can look into our membership program. With membership, you also get access to private advising, as well as member discounts and several other benefits. So you can look into that at rvmobileinternet.com/membership. And like Visible, we are also running a promotion right now through the end of the year, through the end of December, where you can get $20 off on the MIA Plus membership, which would make the membership $109 per year. So again, if you're interested in that, all of that information is on our website. You can find all of that at rvmobileinternet.com. Thank you.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.